Good morning, students. Today we will be reading about First World War and Russia. What was the impact of First World War on Russia? First World War, which was fought between 1914 to 18. These were the years in which First World War was fought, and there were two groups. First, Central Power, and second was the Allied Power. Central Power comprised of Imperial Germany, Ottoman Turkey, Austria-Hungary. Allied Power, Britain, United Kingdom of Great Britain, France, Russia. So between these two groups, the First World War was fought. This group got the victory and they lost. In reality, whether a country win a battle or it loses, both the countries will suffer. That means the country which will win will also suffer, and the country which will lose will also suffer. It can be more or less. Level of loss can be different. So during First World War, Russia took part in the war, and regarding Russia, Russia was a big country in terms of size. It was very rich in terms of resources, but it was not developed. In the Crimean War also Russia was defeated by Britain, France. Russia was defeated by a small country, Japan, in 1904-1905. So it was not having a very good military support. And in First World War also it took part. And along with Britain, France, the highly developed countries. So Russia was of the opinion that they will be easily winning. But during the war, the condition turned against Russia. Now, what were the negative factors? What were the problems which Russia faced during the war? First was about the soldiers. Russia lost around 7 million soldiers. So that was a big loss. Thousands of people lost their life, soldiers lost their life. Next, crops were also destroyed during the war. The soldiers also destroyed the crop, and this was like a common feature in Russia. Like if opponent army is coming, they used to destroy the crop, so that the resources does not fall in the hand of the enemy. So crop was destroyed, sometimes by Russia and sometimes by the opponent also destroyed the crops. Buildings, crops, all things were destroyed. Third was adverse effect on industries. Industries were also adversely affected. Most of the industries were with the support of some foreign country. They were providing raw material, they were providing technology. So these industries also collapsed. Next, workers. There were very few able-bodied men, that means like healthy people who can work in industry, because most of the healthy people were there in military, army. They were fighting for the country. So there were lack of workers in the industry. This was also a big problem which Russia faced. Now, among all these problems, and the Tsar was, we will fight. Now people were like turned against him. Okay, where to fight? We are not having food to eat in Russia. We are not having workers to work in industry. Industries are already like railway etc. shut down because of the lack of technical assistance, machines etc. which were coming from Western Europe. So all the things were against the people. Now people were not happy, and sometimes it is said that this was the root cause of 1917 revolution, First World War. Because revolt or revolution only happens when the things are against the people, common people. Now people were facing so many problems. So now it was the time for revolt. Clear?